Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to wipe phone before selling, so your personal information stays safe and your device is ready for its new owner. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and make sure to back up your data. This is important because once the wiping process starts, everything will be erased, and you won't be able to get it back. You can use cloud storage or transfer files to another device to keep your important memories and documents safe. Step 2. After that, make sure to delete all of your photos, videos, and documents from your phone. Go through your gallery and file manager and clear them out completely. This reduces the risk of leaving behind anything personal before the full wipe. Step 3. Now deactivate Factory Reset Protection, also known as FRP. To do this, go back to the Home menu, open the settings, and prepare to sign out of linked accounts. This step is important because if FRP is active, the new owner won't be able to set up the phone without your account details. Step 4. Scroll down in Settings, find the lock screen and security option, and tap on it. Then, choose the Screen Lock and Biometrics option. You may need to enter your current password, PIN, or pattern to continue. Step 5. After that, select the None option to remove any screen lock. Then, log out of your Google account. This is a key step to ensure your phone is no longer tied to your identity. Step 6. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on the Accounts and Backup option. From here, select the Manage Accounts option at the top. Step 7. In this menu, find your Google account, tap on it, and then select Remove Account. Confirm your decision, and the phone will automatically unlink it. Step 8. Now it's time for the final wipe. Go back to Settings, scroll, and tap on General Management, then go to the Reset menu. Step 9. Choose Factory Data Reset, scroll down, and tap the Reset button. Follow the instructions, and your phone will restart completely clean, just like it was new. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.